Hi everyone, this video is on rates with fractions. So Ben drinks tea at an incredible rate. He drinks 3.5 liters of tea every 2/3 of an hour. Ben drinks tea at a constant rate. How many liters of tea does he drink in 1 hour? So again, whenever you want one of something, that goes on the bottom. So this would be liters divided by hours, because anytime you want one of something, that always goes on the bottom. So in this situation, we're going to have to do 3.5 divided by 2/3. So again, 3.5, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So that's now 7/2 divided by 2/3. And then remember that you need to do keep, change, flip. So when you do that, that now becomes 7/2 times 3/2, which then is 21/4. And we can then check with our calculator. 21 divided by 4, and we get 5.25. So our answer here would be 5.25. Brian irons 2/9 of his shirts in 3 3/5 minutes. Brian irons at a constant rate. At this rate, how much of his shirts does he iron each minute? So again, that means iron would have to go over minutes, because each minute is 1 minute. So that means that we would be doing here 2/9 divided by 3 3/5. So again, 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. So that means this is 2/9 divided by 18/5. So then again, you're going to do keep, change, flip. So that's now going to be 2/9 times 5/18. Unfortunately, nothing can simplify. Well, actually, we can simplify. The 2 goes into 2 once, and the 2 goes into 18 9 times. So 1 times 5 then is 5 over 9 times 9 is 81. So that would be 5/81. In 2009, Usain Bolt set the world record for sprinting at 100 meters in approximately 9 3/5 seconds. Find the average speed in meters per second. So meters per means divide by seconds. So that means this would be 100 divided by 9 3/5. So this would then become 100 divided by 9 times 5 is 45, 46, 47, 48 over 5. Again, keep, change, flip. So the keep this time is 100, but that's 100 over 1, times flipping 5/48. So we know that 4 can go into 148. So that becomes now a 12. And that now becomes a 25. Because I divided the 100 by 4 and I divided the 48 by 4. So now if I multiply, I have 25 times 5 over 12. So 25 times 5, 25 times 5, and then that's going to be divided by 12, and we get that. So I would probably leave it as 125 over 12. 125 over 12. Darcy harvests 8 3/4 acres of corn every 5/6 of an hour. Darcy harvests corn at a constant rate. How many acres does she harvest per hour? So again, per hour means that we would be doing acres, per means divide, by the hour. So in this case, this is going to be 8 3/4 divided by 5/6. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 3, 35/4 divided by 5/6. Again, you're going to do keep, change, flip. So that would mean that this would be 35/4 times 6/5. There's a lot that can be simplified. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 35 7 times. 4 and 6 can both be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So when you solve, it's now 7 times 3 is 21, over 2 times 1 is 2. And then if we want it as a decimal, we could just do 21 divided by 2, and we get 10.5. So there are 4 questions on doing rates with fractions. Hopefully that helped.